Welcome to today's tutorial. If you prefer to navigate using satellite imagery, you can set Google Maps to always open in satellite view. This guide will show you how to adjust your settings so that every time you launch the app, it starts with the satellite view enabled. First, open the Maps app on your phone. Once the app is open, look for your profile icon at the top right. Next, scroll down through the menu and click on Settings to access the app options. Then, scroll down. In the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Start Maps in Satellite View. Finally, toggle this option to the On position to enable satellite view by default. By following these steps, Google Maps will always open in satellite view, providing you with a more detailed perspective of your surroundings. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.